Good evening. Welcome to a night that feels louder than the day. This is China After Dark. Let me show you what nights in China really look like. Just stay with me. I'm gonna show you everything. Honestly, daytime could never feel like this. It's busy, it's loud, but in the best way. This is not just food, it's like a whole night experience. There's so much food here, it's actually hard to choose. Every stall has something different noodles, snacks, grilled things, sweet stuff. You just keep walking and finding more and more. It's simple but really nice, like you just want to try a bit of everything. In many parts of China, people don't usually cook at home at night. Instead, they go out to eat because street food is easy, affordable, and available everywhere. It's very common to see families and friends gathering outside enjoying fresh food from different stalls. Eating out like this is just a normal part of daily life.